Today we'll show you how to install a closet-made door rack. Don't forget to like this video, share it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. The metal pieces with the holes are called standards. This is the door hook. Clip one door hook onto a standard, like this. Then fasten it using one of the supplied bolts and lock nuts. You will need a pair of pliers to hold the lock nut when tightening it. Now fasten the other door hook to another standard using the same procedure. The last time, we used a standard pair of pliers. This time we used a pair of needle nose pliers, which was more suited to get into the small space to hold the nut. Now hook the two standards with the door hooks onto the door. Clip one end of a joining clip onto the new standard, and the other end onto one of the standards hanging on the door. Repeat this process until you have 3 standards hanging on each end of the door. If you do not need the shelving on the entire door, you can use only 2 standards, or only 1 standard on each side. Click on a few baskets to keep the standards the correct distance apart. Using panhead screws, fasten the 2 sides to the door at the bottom. You can use more screws in the middle and the top if you wish. Now you can clip on the baskets in the configuration that works best for you. This is a corral. The corral is used to accommodate taller jars and bottles. Now you're ready to use your new closet-made door rack. We are adding new videos every week. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up with our new videos. Thank you.